Welcome back. Now let's go ahead to our service layer and try to improve what we can improve. So here we see in the add item we have certain code. In all items we have a piece of code. What it does is it basically converts this item DTO to this, and in search item also we see the same thing happening, item DTO getting converted back to a DTO list, and in the update in the get detail also same thing happening, and in the other places also same thing happening, here also same thing happening. So what can we do about this? So what we can do is this common piece of code that we see is this one. This is the common piece of code that we are seeing everywhere. So what we could do is we can extract this common piece of code and put it into a util class and call that util class from here. So let's util or a converter class, whatever is the need. So let's create a converter class here, or a package first, config. We can even say converter, not a problem. And in this we'll say item converter. Let's make this as a component so that it creates a singleton bean, and we can inject it wherever we want. So what we want to do here is basically we want to take, here we are returning, we are taking item entity and we are returning DTO. That's what we are doing here. So let's go ahead and create a converter that takes an entity and returns DTO. So we'll say public item DTO convert entity to DTO. It will take a item entity. So let's go ahead and create an object of it. What we could do is first grab this piece of code, 3 lines, cut, paste it here, and we can just say item DTO, go to item DTO and return the item DTO from here. Perfect. And we go to our service layer, and here we inject the converter. So we say private item converter, auto wire it because we already declared it as component, and so we can inject it as a singleton bean here, and we can call it now simply, we can say item DTO equal to convert. Doing this is going to solve our problem. In fact, we don't even need to declare this here. We can directly declare it here. In fact, we don't even need anything of that sort. Just paste this line here. That's it. So we can get rid of these pieces of code. Same thing, we can do it here. Here we would need that. So what we will do is item DTO equal to paste it here. So here we will pass it as option dot get. So the entity will be passed. Something similar we have to do in other places. So this is what we'll pass here. Perfect. Same thing here as well. Perfect. So now we reduce a lot of lines of code. So this is the advantage of creating a converter class. So this was it for this video. We will test our application in the next video. Thank you.